matter where we go.
Today is the day. I'm finally upgrading our dinosaur of a computer. This right here. With this SSD, 120 gig Kingston SSD. Now this should work with this iMac. I have no idea what I'm doing, so let's do this. With Steven's help. That's right, that's my picture on a Skype thing.
We can go.
Oh, my computer is facing the wrong direction. So I'm already wrong. Oh, look at that. Ow. Oh shoot, I think I just broke it. I broke it already, Steven. Oh, wait. Yep, there we go. Oh. Okay, I don't know what to do now. So I got the front screen off with a suction cup. And now I have like this bezel, but like I don't know, like I'm afraid of breaking it. I figured it out. There was a screw thing over here. I just took that little piece out. Woo, look at that. Alright, I don't know if you can see this, but look at all this dust. Oh, that is gross. I'm gonna go blow it off outside really quick. After blowing off most of the dust, I hope it's gone, I now have to take off the LCD screen. Oh boy. Alright, so I unscrewed the display. I have to disconnect 5 different cables apparently before I can open it up. Great! What do I do? I'm impressed that I'm able to do this, Steven. Okay. Alright, we got the display off. Alright, now I gotta... What do I do now? Replace that. I want to replace this. I gotta figure it out. I did it. I got it. This is the hard drive. I'm gonna replace it with this. The SSD is a lot smaller and I just duct taped everything down. I hope it stays. If this computer works when I turn it on, it'll be a miracle. If it even like powers on, I'll be happy. Like, what even am I doing?
Just take me into the forest.
Moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's time to see if this thing turns on. Oh, it's working! The apple! I did it! Ah! Oh my gosh, Steven! I did it! It works! No, I didn't break anything. Oh, well, I haven't put it back together all the way yet, so I don't know yet. Alright, let's put the whole thing back together now. Oh shoot, I'm bleeding. Oh shoot, I'm bleeding a lot. In my endless quest to make myself a better person, I have cut myself rather badly. It's like a really deep cut, actually. But on the bright side, let's check this out. It works! It works! Ah! And look, it works. Here's my mouse. Look at that! It's like getting a new computer. Alright, let's check Chrome. My parents like to put a million tabs up on Chrome. Alright, let's restore all those tabs you had up, Mom and Dad. Oh, look at that! Look at this, no lag. No lag at all. It's like having a new computer. Wow.